Hey guys, Norm from Bear Bull Traders. It is Thursday, April 4th, 2019. Quick recap for today. Before I jump into that, I just wanted to remind everybody, through next Friday at noon, we have the signups going on for the Bear Bull Traders Challenge Part 2. We completed the first one last week, some really incredible results, some great trading from everybody that was involved in there. We had 216 traders in the first one. This one, the prize is, the grand prize is Andrew's full trading setup, travel trading setup, the gaming laptop, 3 USB monitors, a hub to connect everything, mouse, and case to carry it in, courtesy of Dash Trader. Just a really phenomenal prize. There's more to be announced for second place and such, but anyway, that is that part. And then also our Facebook page for Bear Bull Traders. If you could leave your honest review of our community there, if you've been with us, participated with us, anything, really appreciate it. So I'm going to jump right into my review. I'm only going to review one of my trades. I took 4 trades today. I technically won one of them. It was really a scratch trade. Another one that was a down trade was a scratch trade as well. There's no reason to really get into that. Not that interesting, but I didn't sleep well last night. I wasn't feeling great today. I've been on a pretty good roll over the last 6 weeks or month, and I've said, when you get on, when you get in a groove, usually streaks end with a pretty nasty red day, and I had one today. So I just wasn't feeling right. I should have known better, but oh well. I took Roku for a bounce here, and I don't know what I saw. I was watching a 1 minute. Usually I watch a 2 minute. The 1 minute looked a little bit better than this to me. I saw this, it was coming up, break. I saw some increased volume here, but this just wasn't enough volume. I shouldn't have put that much into it. I thought I was going to get a break here, catch a good entry below VWAP. Unfortunately, I was wrong. No big deal. I got stopped out for a small loss on that. It was the second trade in Roku, and this is why it's so important not to be biased on a trade. So I broke a cardinal rule today. Now I didn't average down. I'm fine for that. I'm at least happy that I didn't average down. You're not going to win every trade. Don't blow your stops. So I came in here. It wasn't a huge size really, but I took a position in Roku for a long. For whatever reason, I don't know what I saw on this. I thought maybe we did get a new 5 minute high, but just by like half a penny here. And I jumped in this a little prematurely. I should have waited. I should have noticed more volume coming in to the red here than this previous white candle, but oh well. So I took this long at just under 66, 65.94, something along those lines. This was the second one. I guess I had it in my head that Roku was going to go up. I thought on the was it the 5 minute at the time? It kind of looked like this was rounding off to me, making higher lows. So, but I was still making lower highs as well. So it was just forming a wedge. I took it long. Sorry for my terrible drawing with the epic pin there. So it had a tiny break, 5 minute high. I took it long. My stop was down below these, and down below this one. And I just let it blow, and it went through there faster than I anticipated it would. By the time it did, I was like, hesitated. That's why you never think, oh, it's going to come back up, because right now people are doing the same thing. They did it here. Now they've done it here, and who knows? At some point, it probably will come back up. But then you also have days where this thing could bleed off. It's 5% down a day. It could end up 10% down. And you could blow out an account like that if you didn't have your position sizing right. So I took a pretty nasty loss on that. I got out of it on this drop, which was real quick through this level I had. But it was a bigger loss than I anticipated. It was a bigger loss than I had. I let my stop blow. So you can't do that. That's cardinal sin number 2 in day trading. Don't average downs, number 1. Number 2, don't let your stop blow. Stick to your stops. Cut your losers short, let your winners run. I didn't stick to that today, and I paid for it. So, it's not the end of the world. Streak isn't over. Frankly, my profit factor for the week is still 3 plus maybe. Right in that range, and for the last 6 weeks or so, it's not much different than that either. So anyway, hope you learn a lesson from this. When you're on a, not only don't let your stops blow, but when you're on a streak, keep it in check. If you don't feel good one morning, take it easy. Don't feel like you're forced to trade to keep a streak going or anything like that. So trade safe, everybody. Thanks for watching. I'll see you tomorrow morning in the chat.